So the way I book is, yes, you usually want to book every 45 minutes. But when I'm super busy, like my client will call and ask if they can squeeze in and get in. So what I let them know over the phone is, if I back-to-back you with another guest, are you okay with that? So we're having the consultation on the phone. And if they let me know that they're okay with that, I'm like, okay, so what are you looking to do to your hair today? Are we gonna foil it? Are we coloring? What are we actually doing? So they'll give me a rough idea of what they're doing. If they're looking for a super like total change or transformation, no, I'm not gonna book them on the 15th. But if they're looking to get maybe a partial foil or full foil and a haircut, I'll do it. But what I do is in that 15-minute, so I'll do their color first, then I'll do my next client after them and I'll do a cut and color, and then I'll finish them and do their haircut. And then I have my 2 associates to help blow dry, but I go back and do the last minute touch-ups. So that way my hands are last on them. And then a hot tip that I do is that I introduce my clients to each other. So I might have 3 chairs going on. Sometimes it's 4 when we're crazy, could be 5. But what I do is I introduce everyone to each other so they're comfortable. And that way, that just takes away the stress of everything. And they start talking, and half of the time they're exchanging phone numbers, they're taking walks together, having lunch together, and they're like, the next time they come in, they're like, where's my friend? I want to see her. So I think that's a key thing to do, is to introduce your clients when you have more than one, introduce them to each other so that way they hang out and it takes a little pressure off of you. Say it is so different now because it's all about social media. Before it was like word of mouth, but now it's all about social media, Facebook, Instagram, the best lighting and how you fine tune your pictures. And usually you thought, oh, I need to take her hair's down to her waist. I need to take the picture and have it come down to her waist. But no, you don't have to do that. You're focusing on the hair. So you can pull it up some. And so we show you how to do all of that. And so that helps out with your pictures and having like a smoother background and not all the stuff going on in the back.